You're new to Coze, and let's walk through how you can create your first AI bot. You don't need any coding experience. Click Create Bot, and give your bot a name and description. You can either upload a profile picture or get AI to generate one automatically based on your name and description. Now we're inside the bot development page. It might look overwhelming right now, but if you're just getting started, let's only pay attention to 3 features: persona and prompt, plugins, and knowledge. Don't worry about the rest for now. When creating AI bot, think of it as hiring an intern or assistant who's fresh out of school. They might have received a great education, but they don't have any experience in your field and have no context on what you want to achieve. In this case, the assistant is the GPT-4 large language model. The persona and prompt is like writing a job description for the intern, basically telling them what their task is and how they should do their job. You can write this in natural language, just like when you're talking to a person. I'm just gonna write a few simple sentences. Don't worry about formatting. Click this auto-optimize button, and AI is going to help you improve your prompt into a more detailed and structured format. Next, we need to equip the assistant with some external tools. This is what plugins are for. We have a plugin store with a wide variety of ready-built plugins, everything from internet browsing to social media to image generation. I want the bot to be able to find recipes through Google search, so I'm gonna add the Google Web Search plugin. Now I'll modify the prompt slightly to tell it when to use this plugin. Now let's test out this bot. Now it's using the Google Web Search plugin to find me recipes. Now, what if you have a recipe book that you want the bot to draw from when answering your questions? This is where knowledge comes in. Knowledge allows the bot to refer to specific information in a document or web pages. I'm gonna add knowledge here and upload a recipe book. Now I'm gonna add knowledge here and select a recipe book that I uploaded. Now when I ask the bot for dinner ideas, it's gonna be able to pick ideas from the book that I uploaded. Finally, let's add an opening dialogue for the bot so it can greet the user and tell the user what it can do. You can just use the auto-generate so AI can write this for you. Now I'm gonna publish this bot, so I can use this bot in various chat apps and share with other people. These are all the apps you can publish to. The easiest one to get started is Telegram. The configuration only takes 1 minute. Go to Telegram, find bot father, and type new bot. Give the bot a name. Then you get a bot token. Click on it to copy and paste it into Coze. And there you go. You can now use your recipe bot in Telegram or share the bot link with others. That's it. As you can see, you can create your own simple AI bot in just 5 minutes. Can't wait to see what you'll create.